Hello, my friend. Today you'll learn how to post banner ads in a safe list. One of the first things you must have for a skill is a skill of knowing how to copy and paste in order to follow the instructions on this video. Now, if you do not know how to copy and paste a banner ad and a destination URL, you can learn right here. So the first thing we're going to do is you want to make sure you have whatever business you're advertising that you're in love with, that you're an affiliate for, whatever offer you are advertising. You should have your banner URL or image URL and your destination URL tucked away in a safe place. Now, my suggestion would be to put it in a Gmail draft like so. So today we're going to be learning off of my gut backup image URL I'm going to be using for an example, and also my gut backup lead capture page link. And that, in my opinion, is what you should be advertising as well, no matter where you're advertising with banners and or text ads. You always want to drive your traffic to a lead capture page. So anyway, this is a banner URL. As you can see here. And in order to copy and paste it, first thing you're going to do, wherever you have it stored, you're going to highlight it, right click, copy. I've already done this here, but I'm showing you for an example. And then you right click, paste, or paste as plain text. I find it more helpful to paste as plain text the first time. And you can see it populates here. And you do the same thing for your banner URL. So that is a skill of copying and pasting that you now have, so you can continue with this video. And now that you know how to copy and paste, and you have your banner image and your destination URL set aside in a Gmail draft or another folder of your choice, you'll be ready to go back into your safe list, which here we're going to be using Explosive Mailer as the example. Simply sign in. And sometimes they do log in with an advertisement or a login page, but I'd already been in here today, so it just skipped that. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to find where your banner ads live. Now over here, third one from the left under My Offers, you're going to hover over it, click on it, and you're going to look, and the first one down is Banners. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to scroll down, and you can see it says My Banners. It tells you how many credits you have, how many banner impressions you have. And then there's a form right here where you enter your image URL and your target URL, which is also known as the destination URL. And that should be your lead capture page that I was speaking of. So the top one is the image. The bottom one is for your lead capture page. A good place to keep your affiliate links and banner URLs, like I said, is in a draft in your Gmail account or a Google Docs form that's linked to your email address. Either way, it's a good, fairly safe place to keep your links and ad copy that you should have access to anytime when you need it. For example, if you're out and about on your phone and someone reaches out on social media to ask you about your opportunity, you want that lead capture page URL handy so that you can send it to them when they ask. Just another example. So always have it on Gmail that you use and that's on your mobile device as well as your computer so you can always reach out. Okay. So as you can see in your banner section of your safe list, the top is where they put the image. So you're going to go back to your image URL where you have it tucked away safely, and you're going to drag it, highlight it, and on a Windows computer, you're going to right click copy. You're going to come back to your mailer. You're going to get rid of all this. So highlight it, backspace. Then you're going to right click and paste as plain text. And then you can click down on the other one and just make sure that your banner URL looks right. By checking it, you can just click on it, highlight down to read the end of it, and that's how you confirm that it is in place. Now, as an aside, some of these safe lists take HTTPS URLs. You can see right here. See this HTTPS? That's a secure link. Now, you really don't need to know what that means, except some of them take it with HTTPS, some of them do not. And this goes for their image URLs that they will accept, as well as the target or destination URLs that they will accept. And you kind of really never know until you go to put it in here what this particular script for the safe list will will not accept. So it's always a bit of a crapshoot. So for today's demonstration, I'll be leaving the HTTPS on both and see where it gets us. But if you're going to be putting in HTTPS and it doesn't accept it, it'll kick you back. It'll give you an announcement that it doesn't accept HTTPS or HTTP. It will correct you, and you'll have the chance to remove the S or add the S, as the case may be. So you copied your banner URL and you pasted it as plain text into this box. You've highlighted it. You checked that it looks the same as it does in your Gmail. Make sure you got the whole link, and then you're going to do the same for your affiliate URL, which should be, for whatever you're promoting, a lead capture page. That way you can keep in contact with interested parties in the future by getting their name and email. That's the purpose of a lead capture page. Now you're going to go back down here to the bottom box in your safe list. Again, we're just jumping from Gmail to the safe list. So from where your links are stored to where you're going to post them. Now, like I said, you highlight this, backspace, get rid of all that, right click on a Windows computer, and then paste as plain text. You can click out of it, you can highlight it all, take a look at it, make sure it looks the same. Then you're just going to click this add button down below. And it reloads the page, you scroll back down, and if you have done it correctly, you'll see your banner URL on top. You'll see your lead capture page or affiliate link on bottom. And then you'll see the banner displayed slightly smaller. This is a 468 by 60 banner, but it is displayed a little smaller here, but it gives you a visual representation that it is in fact posted correctly, and that's what it will look like, only bigger within the safe list. Because within the safe list, you see this size here. I'm going to scroll up the page. This is what a 468 by 60 banner looks like. For example, this one right here, that is the size of a 468 by 60 banner. And that is how your banner will appear once you have posted it in the safe list. Now I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to click on this banner image. And what you want, the power of banner advertising is it advertises for you 24/7. So even while you're sleeping, you're advertising your business opportunity or whatever program that you love and that you're an affiliate for. So the power of banner and text advertising is immeasurable once you get these posted out in your safe list. And then the goal, many safe lists and other free advertising sources, is that you're going to pepper the online world with your image and then your lead capture page. So you can do that 24/7 with banner ads. That's the power of them. That's why it's important that when you sign up to SafeList, you make sure you redeem your banner and text credits and put them out there so that they're working for you 24/7. So now, if you have followed the steps correctly, you should have your banner image URL and your lead capture page URL all plugged into the banner section of your safe list, and it should be out there in advertising. It has a counter here where you can assign your impressions, which is a must. I'll just show you right here. It has 1,000 banner impressions. So I'm simply going to go to where it says assign impressions, put in those impressions, which they gave me for free just for joining, which is awesome. I'm going to hit assign, and the page will reload. And then you can see where views assigned 1,000. And then you can keep an eye on your views and clicks here because it has a counter. So once you do post banners, keep an eye on them, go back, in a couple of days, and to make sure they're getting views to your banner. So they'll be displayed throughout sections of the safe list, much like here at the top by the tools bar, as you can see. So your banner will be advertised throughout the site 24/7, and that's the power. So congratulations, my friend, on knowing how to post banner ads in a safe list. Please comment, subscribe, mash that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments section. I'd be happy to talk to you. Have a good day.